The wonderful world of Taiwan's trees. Warm-up question. What can you and your friends do to help protect trees and forests?
Taiwan provides places for many different kinds of plants to grow. Different kinds of plants grow at different elevations. Trees with big leaves grow closer to sea level and up to 1,800 meters. Trees with needle leaves grow between 1,800 meters and 3,500 meters. The tall and straight Taiwan cypress tree grows at this height. Above 3,500 meters, weather conditions are too cold for trees to grow. At higher elevations, you'll see grass grow across the land. Trees are important because they give us oxygen. They are home to many animals. They store carbon, which helps slow climate change. Trees do a lot for us. Now, it's time for us to help them.